In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the payment method for your YouTube Premium membership. So this is actually very easy. Now, what a lot of people try is they go to YouTube, they go to their profile icon in the bottom right hand corner, they then click on settings in the top right, and then they go to purchases and memberships. And what they'll find is in here they'll be able to see their membership, but you won't actually be able to change the payment method in here. Now the chances are when you actually subscribed, you did it on the mobile device, and you did it if you're on iPhone through your iCloud account. Now if you're on Android, you've probably done it through your Google Play account. So on iPhone, all you need to do is go to settings, then go and find here your account on iCloud. Click on your name, and then you can go to subscriptions. From here, you should then be able to see your YouTube Premium subscription. You can then click on it, and then from here, you can go ahead and either cancel it, or if you want to change the payment method, go to payment and shipping. And then once you're in payment and shipping, you can then go ahead and add your credit card. This will be a new payment method. You can confirm your billing name, then click done, and then you'll be able to select that billing method as the default method.